Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I've made homemade croutons. I made two different kinds. One is salt-free and one has got a little salt and a little more zing to it. They're both really easy to make, and if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, for the first crouton recipe, this one has no salt. And what you need is stale bread slices, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. You can add oregano, whatever spice you like. And the first thing I'm going to do is I've got these pieces of bread I've actually let set out. I've let set out for a few hours until they got just a little hard. And I'm going to cut these up into small cubes, and I'm going to put them in a bowl and we'll get started from there. One of the easiest ways that I have found to cube these up is to use my Dollar Tree Betty Crocker kitchen shears. And I'm just going to cut these in fours. And just cube them up. Now these are for my salads. They're also really good in soups. And if you want to get real fancy for company, you can always take the crust off first. But I don't see any difference, to be honest with you. Okay, now that I've got those all cubed, I'm going to just sprinkle some of the olive oil on it. Push up those sleeves and toss, just to get the olive oil all the way through, and you're probably going to need a little more. And I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. And once you have this all mixed up, then you just add whatever spices you like. I think you guys know me by now that I really like my garlic and onion powder. Putting on a little Italian seasoning, which I absolutely love in a salad. And I'm going to add a little oregano, because I love the taste of oregano. And now we'll just mix this all up. Oops. And if it looks like it needs more, I'm going to add more. But it looks pretty covered. Okay, I'm just going to put these on parchment paper on a cookie sheet. And I'm going to spread this out. And try to keep it in a single layer. And these are going to go in the 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Okay, I'm going to get started on the other ones. Okay, this crouton recipe is even easier than the first one. And what you need is your stale bread slices and Italian salad dressing. and a pastry brush and a bowl. And what I'm going to do is put some Italian dressing in the bowl. Make sure you shake it up well. And I'm just going to paint the slices on both sides. And I'm going to, it doesn't have to be on there really thick. It all depends on how you like it. But after you have it on the one side and it's had a chance to soak in a little bit, then you're going to flip this over and you're going to add the salad dressing to the other side. Okay, I've got both sides covered with the salad dressing, and I'm just going to do exactly the same thing that I did for the other croutons. I'm going to take the kitchen shears and just cut them up into cubes. And as soon as I get all these cut up, they're going to go in the 350-degree oven for 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. So we'll be back after I'm done. With my oven being the way it is, I really should have checked these after 15 minutes because the ones in the back got a little burnt. But I've tasted them and they're good. There's no salt. Nice and crunchy, perfect for a salad. These are the ones with the salad dressing. I put these in for an extra 5 minutes because I think I might have used too much salad dressing and it took a little more to get them crispy. Oh, they're good. Definitely like these better, but there is salt in this. Okay, I got them on my salad. And needless to say, I cannot wait to dive into these. And these are the ones with the salad dressing. Oh, that's amazing. It's so much better than the stuff you can buy in the store. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.